I'm going to be showing you guys how to take your Dutch oven looking like this, full of burnt on food, to looking absolutely brand new. Very simple with limited scrubbing, things like that. So let's go ahead and hop in. First, you're going to put your Dutch oven on the stove and fill it up with water just up until where all of your burnt bits are. We're going to go ahead and turn our stove on to a high heat, drop in a dishwasher tab. If you don't have a dishwasher tab, that's not an issue. You can use Dawn dish soap, or you can just go ahead and let it sit in hot water. We're going to put the top on and just occasionally stir it, scraping the bottom ever so gently. It is a Dutch oven, you don't want to scratch it. Nothing metal here. I'm using a wooden spoon just to very gently graze the bottom to help lift off any of those burnt on bits that are getting rehydrated and are boiling detergent water and getting to be able to scrape off. Once you're pretty sure that all of the stuff is off, you don't feel anything sticking to the bottom, you can go ahead and dump it out. If you're like me and you see you still have stuff on the bottom you want to get off, go ahead and put it on the stove and repeat the process until it looks like this.